We are here now in Train Street. Yeah. Sa anywhere, baby. Oh. Ano, yan. Raining. But it start raining. So. Welcome to one of the most unbelievable street in the world, Train Street in Hanoi, Vietnam. Would you sit and sip coffee as a train rushes inches past your face? This narrow street tucked inside Hanoi old quarters turned into a train tracks multiple times a day. Locals live, cook, and just spit away from this roaring locomotive. Tourists come here for one-of-a-kind adrenaline rush and a killer photo.
Ayun na, yung tour na.
Ah, 3:30 daw ang ano? Ha?
Ist mir egal, wo wir sitzen. Ne? Ich würde halt schauen, dass es nicht regnet.
Mas maganda saan?
Nakakita ko ng pagkain.
Okay. Okay. Ah. We walk from Flora Hotel to here. Saan mahal ko?
Yeah.
Sama gusto?
Dumiretso ka doon o what? Hindi na.
Hindi na. Okay na. Saan mo gusto? Dito? Ha?
You gonna try like that?
Ah. We're now here in Train Street, the famous Train Street in Hanoi. We're waiting for the train.
Madam noodle beef bò mẹ ạ.
And this is the surrounding. As you can see. Oh. There. There. And this is the famous egg coffee here in Hanoi. We ordered chips, hot chips, and noodles. We're still waiting for the noodles. The train will be arrived at in 15 minutes. So we are emergency. Getting ready.
Đấy, cái khu đấy đúng rồi. Đấy.
Ganda.
Đúng rồi. Okay, machine.
Yeah, beautiful. Ayos. Ayos, baby. The train had passed already, and this is our reward, noodles. Then after this, we walk back to the hotel
But it's raining now.
by walking. Okay, we're going back to the hotel now. Start raining a bit. So. Hello. Ang ganda oh. Ayan po ang view niya. But it's raining so the next train will be 7 o'clock. So, you can't wait that long.